Hello and welcome back to another video of UiPath Gen AI activities. We have already seen one video in which we have set up UiPath Gen AI activities and we have used content generation model of UiPath Gen AI activities. If you have not seen that video, you can find the link in description. In this video, we are going to talk about another UiPath Gen AI model, that is signature match. So signature match is a common use case in automation. So when you have to compare two different documents and you have to compare signatures there, that time you can make use of this UiPath Gen AI model. So if you have missed the previous video, I just want to quickly cover that how can you enable Gen AI package in UiPath. As you know that one like is a big motivation for any YouTube channel. So before I go ahead, I would like to request you that if you like the content of this video, please hit the like button. That will help us a lot. And subscribe to the channel for more videos on different automation, Power Automate, UiPath Automation, Gen AI and Python. If you can share this video with your contacts, that will be really helpful for us. Okay, so let's get started. I will first cover how can you install packages. And as I have said, I have already covered that in detail. I will just give you a quick walkthrough. So when you will come to your orchestrator and you log in with your account, you will come on this screen, and here you have to search for integration services. Under integration services, you have to search for UiPath Gen AI activities. So this is the icon. Right now it is free. Okay, and just click on this. When you will click on this, you have to create the connection. You have to click here to connect it. All right. So how can you validate that it is connected or not? So when you will go here in connectors from MySpace and in connections, you will be able to see that UiPath Gen AI activities will be available there. All right. So it is already available in my case. After enabling from here, the second thing is that you have to see in manage packages and project dependencies integration services. So you can search UiPath.integration services. UiPath.integration services, you will get this package and you can install it. And after that, you will be able to see all the activities here in activities, right? In my case, it is already there. You can search Gen AI. So you will get all of these packages available in your account. We have already seen this content generation. Today we are going to see signature similarity. All right, so just put it here. So in your case, you can pick this from somewhere else. So how can we do that? We have to have images of the signature, right? So I will just show you. I have kept few of the images. So I have two different type of signature. One type is this H sign. Another type is signature 1, signature 2, signature 3. So let's see what all we have. Signature 1. You can see the name here. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So I have taken different images. Now we will try and we will see matching or not. Now, okay. Let's talk about the other type of signature, that is only signature. So this is R. This is type 2, sample 2, type 2, sample 3. Right. So what we will do is, first we will try to match 1 to 2 similar type different samples. Then we will try to match this different type to different type. Okay. Hope you got my point. Let's have a quick look once again. This is H1, H signature 2, H signature 3. This is only signature 1, signature 2, signature 3. All right. Let's start. So we have already dragged this signature similarity package from UiPath Gen AI activities. Now we have to load one signature image. So I will take signature 1 and I will take signature 2. Now go to properties, control K is the UiPath shortcut. So I will just create a variable match So I have created one variable match score. So output of this will come as match score. Now we just have to print that score. UiPath right line activity I will use, and then I will just print the match score, right? Fine. So we have H1 and we are matching with H2. All right. Just run the file. So bot has executed. So workflow is executed now. It will take few seconds. So right now the score is 85. So you can decide a threshold that on 85 you want to declare that yes, it is perfectly matching or not. Now same thing what we will do is this, we will not compare with H sign, we will compare with other sign, right? We will compare this signature one. Let's see what is the score that we get. So you can see here in output, the score is 0 because it has not matched. Okay, so signature 1 is not matching. Now let's go back and try with the H signature type itself. So H signature 3 with 1, right? Save and run. So you can see the matching score is 90% in this sample, which means that if it is coming above 80, we can declare that yes, it is matching, and it depends upon your sample testing, like what score you want to keep to declare that yes, signature is matching. Let's try with the other signature sample now. So I will take a normal signature this time, only signature. Okay, signature 1, and I will simply match with signature 2. Save. Let's run. So you can see 85% is the matching result. Now let's match signature 1 with 3. Signature 3. Save, run. And matching results might depends upon the resolution of the different images. So in one image, if it is not clear, there is black shadow around, and there are multiple reasons. So what you can do is, for better result, you can do image pre-processing before you start this activity, right? So signature 1 to signature 3 match result is 95, right? All right, so this is how you can use UiPath Gen AI activities to match signature. And we are covering, so in this playlist, we are covering all the models of UiPath Gen AI activities. You can see on your left hand side, all of this we are going to cover. So subscribe to the channel and share your feedback in comments. I will see you in the next video with next model of UiPath Gen AI activities. Thank you very much for your time.